Your Cricket wireless account number is a unique 12-15-digit identifier used for billing, payments, and switching carriers. It's not your phone number. The easiest ways to find it are through the Cricket Wireless app, your bill, or during the port-out process when switching to another carrier. As of 2025, the Cricket app is the most user-friendly method, with over 90% of users reporting quick access. For those without the app, checking your bill, physical or emailed, or contacting Cricket support for a port-out PIN are viable alternatives. To find your account number via the Cricket app, download and log in. Then navigate to the Account or Profile section where the number is displayed under Account Details. If using a bill, look for the account number or customer ID in the header or summary section of your physical or emailed bill. During a port out, call Cricket support at 611 from your Cricket phone or 1-800-274-2538. Provide verification like the last 4 digits of your SSN or billing address to receive a port-out PIN, and your account number may be required to initiate the port on their website under the Port My Number section. Always prioritize security and never publicly share your account number to avoid unauthorized access or fraud.